What's going on, YouTube? It's O'Neal from Tapped In with O'Neal. And man, it's been a crazy week with the markets going up, down, China retaliating with tariffs that we're putting on them. We're increasing our tariffs. Markets is going crazy. A lot of money to be made. Some people is losing money. Um, I'm hearing people pulling out their 401k. It's just a whole lot of things that's been going on this past week. But we're gonna stick to it. We're gonna do what we gotta do our weekly invest, give you a little rundown on the portfolio, give you updates on the retirement portfolio, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll go ahead and transition into Robinhood. All right, so guys, as you guys can see, we're up $1,000, $1,100 on the day right now. Um, the account is at $35,247, which is an improvement. It's been going up and down relatively, staying within the 35 to 34 range. And it's like just leveled out at 35 for right now. Let's go on our weekly. On a weekly, we're up $236 on a month. Let's see how we're down 3,300 on a month. So we're still recovering from what's been happening in the markets, but we're doing relatively good, if I would say so myself. Um, let's not waste any time. Let's go straight into our deposits. Before we get into the deposits, as you guys can see, our margin total is at $18,000. The margin we have used is $10,000, $10,678, and we have options collateral of $7,000, which I'm pretty sure it's done because I had some collateral being. Actually, no, it's not done because I still have the Tesla put that's set to expire next week. So we'll get into that next week. But we had a JetBlue option play that we made today, and we made some money on it. So I'll make a separate video, let you guys know on how I did made money. I made almost $300 this week just playing options. So yeah, I'll get into that in a separate video. But let's go ahead and do our weekly $1,000 deposit. Okay. All right, we got $1,000, and I know I've been kind of slow with this, so I'm trying to move along fast with it. Let's just go ahead right into a review transfer $1,000. Continue with the standard. All right, and it's done. It's initiated. $1,000 initiated. All right, so now the account is at $36,000, $254. Margin use has decreased from 10,678 to 9,678. Option collateral still $7,000, and our buying power is at 1,300 now. This video isn't gonna be too long since I just dropped my previous video, my weekly video, a little bit later. But I did give you guys a midweek update on the portfolio, letting you guys know how my portfolio was reacting to the market crash. But yeah, not much has changed in the portfolio. Like I said, I've been acquiring more Nvidia. I got some more JetQ slowly but surely. I haven't gotten to Tesla again yet. I'm trying to find a decent buy price. I should have bought it at 220 because it went right, as you guys can see, 252. Um, but I missed that opportunity. I really missed that opportunity. So I'm hoping it drops again so we can get right back in there. Let's go into our retirement. So as you guys can see, our retirement is at $1,054.97. It's doing relatively good. If you guys don't remember, last time it was around 900, so it just cracked the 1,000 mark, and it's doing pretty good. We're at 7 shares of SCHD, 1 share of JEPQ, 1.87 shares of JEPQ, and the rest, QQQ, we got 0.32 shares, and we got SPY, Woo, Apple and Amazon. But as you guys remember from the last video, I said I'm only focusing on these three uh, ETFs: SCHD, JEPQ, and QQQ, to keep me a little more diversified, protected with SCHD and JEPQ are, used for growth. Got about $3.94 of buying power. I'm gonna use yeah. So not much has changed with the account. Just do 1 hour weekly deposit. Like I said, I'll do a separate video to let you guys know how I've been utilizing the wheel strategy to make some money, and also just selling puts to make money with options. You know, yeah. So everything else is pretty much the same, I would say. Up $1,000 on a day, which is pretty good. We're just gonna keep climbing. Hopefully we'll crack that 40K relatively soon. But without further ado, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, show some love, feedback. But it's O'Neal, and I'm signing out.